Hey guys, it's Precious Stevens with the Posh Academy, and in this video, I'll show you 3 exciting ways to create stunning double-layer draping using various attachments. We'll cover hangers, clamps, and extenders to help you achieve that layered look. So let's dive in. Okay guys, the first one we're going to use is actually the crossbar hanger. Now this is the most common method used for double layer draping. However, what happens a lot in class is it's inserted the wrong way. So I want to make sure I show you guys the proper way to insert these into your upright. You want to make sure first that the slant is pointing down. Sometimes it's very common, so if you do it, do not feel like you're embarrassed or overwhelmed. A lot of people actually stick it in this way with the slant pointing up, and that is not the proper way because it will just fall out and that's a disaster, right? So you want to make sure, one, the slant is pointing down, and then it's 3 grooves in each hanger, right? You want to always insert your hanger and make sure it's in the middle groove. If you put it in the groove closest to the slant, it's going to, typically your unit can fall over because it's too much weight that's going to the front, right? So the main thing when you are using a crossbar hanger is to make sure your slant is pointing down. Make sure you're utilizing the middle groove when you insert it into your upright. Just like that. Another common question that happens in class or here on YouTube is which groove to actually attach your crossbar. Now, that really is totally up to you. The only thing I want you guys to be mindful of, if you use the groove closest to your upright, use the same exact groove on the other side. You don't want to use one groove in the back on one side and then go to the other upright and use the groove to the front. Now for the benefits of using the crossbar hanger. The one thing is this is a minimal piece of equipment, right? It's not real bulky, and you can really put these in your fanny packs. You can put them in your toolkit. You can easily transport these with no problem. Not to mention, this will be your most affordable option when you're trying to do multiple layer with draping. Now I'm going to share with you one of my super duper hacks, right? Now a lot of people actually take their crossbar hanger and insert it in the front, which is totally cool. There's nothing wrong with that. However, when you're using a lot of drapes such as we use here at the Posh Academy, we always take our crossbar hangers and we insert them in the back. And that is where we put our base layer. Now, the reason why we do this is because the base layer has the minimal fabric, right? And you don't want to have a lot of drape cascading to the front, which can actually cause your unit to fall over. So this is a real easy hack to, one, have a seamless look in the front, as well as provide extra security for your backdrop. All right, guys, so now I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize your crossbar hangers with the double crossbars. So again, you want to just make sure your slant is going down, insert it into your upright, make sure you have it into the second groove, and then you're going to attach your first crossbar into the actual upright. Making sure both are level. So then you're going to take your second crossbar and just attach it directly into the crossbar hanger. Now remember, the actual groove you use does not matter. Just make sure you're using the same one on both ends. And this is how you would do double layer draping with crossbar hangers. Hey guys, any of these tips helping you so far? Then be sure to like this video to help me reach 1,000 likes. Not to mention it's absolutely free to do, and it only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, now we're going to go to another method of using a different attachment for multiple layer draping, right? This is the actual clamp. Now these can be used to achieve the same exact design. However, it's a little more sturdy and it has the ability to hold more drape. The only thing you would do is you would wrap the entire clamp around your crossbar, making sure that your grooves are pointing up because this is where you'll actually attach your crossbar. And you're going to secure it by tightening up the screw. Now, I would not suggest you to tighten it so tight that you cannot adjust it. I would suggest you attach it to your upright, get it secured slightly, and then you want to position it to whatever your desired height is. Then secure the actual clamp. So once you have it in, you want to turn it around. This is where you'll actually insert your crossbar. And once everything is kind of measured out properly, then you want to tighten it, because once you secure it, once you actually raise it, there's no way for you to get back up there unless you want to get on a ladder. And who wants to do that? So this again is called the clamp. And this is another method of achieving double layer draping. So now I'm going to tell you a couple of advantages of using the clamp. The primary reason a lot of people use a clamp is because it can really withstand a lot more drape. It's a lot more heavy duty and more durable. Not to mention it's versatile, right? I know you guys probably see now a lot of designs that have the crisscross method. Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret. In order to achieve a polished look with that design, they're using clamps to secure their crossbars at the bottom. So if you're interested in actually achieving that design, guess what? I have a video on it, and I'll be sure to put the link in the description. All right, guys, so now I'm going to show you exactly how to use the clamps with 2 crossbars. So again, you're going to take your initial crossbar and you're going to put it directly into your upright. Now you're going to take your second crossbar and you're going to attach it directly to the side slot of the clamp. Now the good thing, like I said, the clamps are very universal, meaning it has a groove on each end, right? So you want to make sure you're using the groove on the inside. Attach it and attach it to the other side. Now that is pretty much exactly how you would use the clamps. Now keep in mind, the beauty of using the clamps is now you can attach crossbars still in the front as well as on the other side. So that is the key benefit to using the clamp. All right, guys, so next up, guess what? We have the attachment, which is an extender. Now, the beauty in this actual piece is that it's versatile, right? Some of you guys may have the basic kit, which is 6 to 10 feet tall, meaning you would attach it on the wider side because the uprights are slightly different, right? But if you have the Porsche Premium kit, such as this one here, you just would flip that sucker around and attach it to this side. Now this, you just would take the actual attachment and you would slide it up over top of your upright, and that would give you the ability to attach 2 crossbars. The only thing is your crossbars would be about 6 to 8 inches apart. However, it's perfect for multi-layer draping if you do not want anything extended from your backdrop. So if you're looking for a nice, clean, flush look, then you would have 1 crossbar inserted here, right? And then you would attach another crossbar at the top, and this would be your second layer that is kind of cascading over your initial layer. All right, guys, and for your last technique, this is how you use 2 crossbars, which is multi-layer draping with the actual extenders. So again, don't forget, you're going to put it, depending on which kit you have. This is the premium kit, so I'm going to put the smaller piece on the actual upright. So you want to take your crossbar and you want to stick it directly into the bottom slot. Now you're going to take your additional crossbar and attach it to the top slot. So this is how you do the multi-layer draping with the extenders. So the benefit of the extenders, guys, is this is going to give you a seamless double draping look. You're not going to have any protrusion going to the front or anything protruding from the back. This is like your most seamless look. Just be mindful of this 8-inch gap here. So you want to definitely have the top bar for your outer layer. That way you're able to cover your bottom crossbar. You guys know exactly how I am when it comes to exposed hardware. So definitely be mindful that you're covering up all of your poles. Now, to unlock the full potential of your draping creativity, check out the range of attachments in our store. You'll find hangers, clamps, extenders, and so much more to elevate your draping techniques. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's this called?
This is you.
Crossbar hanger.
Crossbar
Okay.
hanger.
Now, if you want to unlock the full potential of your draping creativity, check out our. Okay. Come on. Check out our. Now, if you want to unlock the full potential of your draping creativity, check out the range of
You had it.